guys, I'm Anchal Oberoi and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super fabulous. So guys, I'm at the very famous Lokhandwala market today and I can't wait to shop. So come on, let's get started with this. Let me show you all the super cool shops, and if you like the video then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. So guys, I started exploring the market from this shop. Its name is Om Garments and it's right opposite the Archie's Gallery. I saw some really cool stuff in this shop. Like there were beautiful half sleeve t-shirts, long t-shirts which can be worn with shorts. There were nice sweatshirts, crop tops, jeans, sweatpants, you name it, and they had it here. There were some beautiful tops here and all of them were priced between 250 to 350 rupees. There were these nice casual t-shirts and these beautiful crop tops which were only for rupees 250. They had a really cool and trendy collection here. I think these crop tops and sweatshirts were really lovely, and also these long tops which can be worn with shorts. So come on, let's ask him the prices of all these cool things. अच्छा, ये जो सारी ड्रेसेस हैं, ये टी शर्ट ड्रेस जो है जो शॉर्ट्स के साथ पहनते हैं, ये कितने तक की हैं? अच्छा, 250 से लेके 400 तक मिल जाती हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट ये क्रॉप टॉप्स, इनकी क्या रेंज है? 250. अच्छा, और ये सारी पैंट्स हैं आजकल जो काफ़ी चल रही हैं, टाई एंड डाई पैंट्स, इनके क्या रेट्स हैं? अच्छा अच्छा, तो आप मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को, आंचल ओबेरॉय सब्सक्राइबर्स को कितना % डिस्काउंट दोगे? 10% डिस्काउंट दोगे? डन. चलिए, तो ये ओम गारमेंट्स है राइट ऑपोजिट आर्चीज गैलरी. दे विल गिव यू अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10% इफ यू सब्सक्राइब टू आंचल ओबेरॉय's channel, right? Okay, thank you so much. Thanks. The shop next to this one also had a very cool collection, like some lovely pants, shirts, t-shirts, crop tops, dresses, dungarees. There were a lot of lovely things, like these velvet dresses were super cool, and I loved these long shimmery dresses which were all priced between 600 to 650 rupees. Like they had these lovely jumpsuits which were priced between 500 to 550 rupees. So guys, Lokhandwala market is divided in two lanes opposite each other, so there are a lot of these amazing shops on both sides of the road. So I spotted another nice shop which was right opposite McDonald's, and it had some cool stuff like these beautiful tie and dye shorts. There were a lot of these jeans, and they also had accessories like your sunglasses, neck pieces, bangles, earrings, bracelets, scarves, caps, and lots of accessories. I tried a couple of shades here too. Saw some cool pants, some lovely dresses, and some beautiful skirts here. So this is one of my favorite places to shop at Lokhandwala market. So guys, there is an amazing market here which is a little hidden, so not everybody knows about it. It is the Kamdhenu shopping center, and I myself have shopped lots of things from here. So I'm going to show you all the cool places to shop, and it's really nice and reasonable. So come on, let me show you guys. So guys, as soon as you enter the Kamdhenu market, this is the first shop on your left, and it has a very cool and trendy collection. You have everything from your tops, t-shirts, dresses, jeans, jumpsuits, and they're available at very reasonable prices. Like I really like these dresses which were priced between 500 to 600 rupees, and these dresses which were priced between 450 to 550 rupees, and they were available in nice and vibrant colors. Like I really liked these long dresses priced between 500 to 600 rupees. So guys, I am at the Shilpi Garments, right? कामधेनु शॉपिंग सेंटर में, और इनकी बहुत ही अमेजिंग कलेक्शन है. और ये मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को कितना डिस्काउंट देंगे?
10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा मैडम.
10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. चलिए, डन. सो यू मस्ट विजिट हियर. इट्स गॉट एन अमेजिंग कलेक्शन. They have a lovely collection of tops as well, and there's a lot of variety in them. So you find nice patterns and nice colors, like your light colors as well as your nice vibrant colors here, and all these tops are priced between 300 to 400 rupees. So the Kamdhenu road also has shops on both sides of the road, and again I spotted this shop which had amazing pants, t-shirts, tops. Like they had racks of these 200 rupees tops and these beautiful dresses priced between 500 to 600 rupees, and these dresses were pure cotton and they were just amazing for this weather. There was a nice collection of long tops, short tops, crop tops, t-shirts, jeans, everything available here. Again, the shop had a nice collection like nice tops, shirts, long dresses, short dresses, jeans, pants, and I really liked these graphic shirts and shorts combo here too. This shop had a very nice collection like lovely sweatshirts, t-shirts, your jeans, long dresses. Like I really loved these dresses which were all priced between 500 to 600 rupees. There was a great variety in your short dresses, long dresses, your casual dresses like these jumpsuits, your formal dresses, party wear dresses, your tops which were all priced between 250 to 350 rupees. Like there was a great collection in this shop. They were available in nice colors and good sizes too. You have all kind of tops available here, right from your half sleeves, full sleeves, spaghetti tops, crop tops, t-shirts, shirts, and everything is available at very reasonable prices. I quite like these denim skirts too. So right opposite these shops is again this secret Kamdhenu lane which goes inside, and you see these shops where you can get these dupattas which you can match with your kurtis or your suits, and you also have these ready-made blouses here which are available between 700 to 1200 rupees, and also you can get them tailored at very reasonable rates. You get these beautiful things to decorate your lehengas, kurtis, blouses like your latkans, your tapes, which are available at very reasonable prices. So this lane has shops on all sides, and you have a variety of things here, right from your Indian wear to your Western wear as well, like your t-shirts, tops, jeans, dresses, and all of them are available at very reasonable prices. There are a lot of these casual t-shirts, like you can see these formal dresses, party dresses, these jeans which were all priced between 700 to 750 rupees, and lot of these tops and t-shirts all priced between 200 to 500 rupees. Then again, I spotted lot of these shops here which had some very cool stuff, not only for girls but also for boys. And again, I saw this guy who was sitting with all these party kind of heels and chappals, all priced at flat 500 rupees. There is a beautiful collection of junk jewelry available here, like your neck pieces, your bracelets, your earrings, your bangles, right from your oxidized jewelry to again your metal stuff, and all of them are priced from 50 rupees going into 1500 rupees. I really liked the Buddha chains here. I thought they were really very cool. Again, there are a lot of these shops here where you get nice kurtis and kurti sets like your kurti palazzos, kurti palazzo dupattas, and there is a lot of variety of them. There is a variety of footwear available here, right from your casual to your formal as well as your party wear, and all of them are priced between 400 to 500 rupees. I spotted this lady sitting there with earrings priced between 100 to 150 rupees. Again, moving further, I saw this shop which had an amazing collection of footwear, right from your slippers, chappals, sneakers, sports shoes, jutis, heels. They had absolutely everything. Like I really liked the Kolhapuri chappals here and these jutis which were priced between 500 to 600 rupees. I love these heels priced at rupees 990, and there were these lovely sneakers priced between 700 to 1200 rupees. There are these really cool shops on both sides of the lane, and you get some really trendy clothes here. So again, if you're looking at buying something specific, then you can visit these shops. Like you can see a lot of these jackets and a lot of those coordinates. So you have a wide variety here. Then you have a lot of these kurti shops, like you can see these Sabyatas 3. There are a lot of these shops where you can get a good collection of Indian wear. This is a very famous fabric shop in the market, and you get all kinds of fabric here. So outside here you can also see some suit pieces and also these cut pieces which are available at very reasonable rates. If you're looking at any specific kind of fabric, you will definitely find it in this shop. So guys, don't be surprised if you spot actors here, because most of them live around here and shop here too. So guys, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it and found it useful, and if you did, then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So see you guys very soon with something very exciting. Lots and lots of love to all.